friends, and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Go Clove shoes reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll show the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is an online store that is pro, offering a wide range of shoe pairs for both men and women in the United States. So if you want to take a look at the exclusive collection of shoes, then just click the menu option button and you'll find the product categories here. Now let's talk about payment information. So guys, at the bottom of this web page you will find payment information. Guys, right now I'm not able to view the payment section here, but yes, according to our research, and when you just click the buy shoe option, you'll find the modes of payment are ShopPay, PayPal, Amazon Pay and Google Pay. And coming to the website shipping policy, so guys, let's take a look at the FAQ section first, because here you will find the information related to shipping. Guys, Clove offers free standard shipping here, and how long it will take to receive the order. So guys, it will take up to 3 to 5 business days after you receive your shipping confirmation email. So now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. And coming to the domain information, the domain name was created on 8th of October 2018 and it is 1 year, 11 months, 7 days old website. So this shows that guys, that the website is a legit website. Now let's take a look at the Our Story section to know more about this website. So in this section you will find the information regarding business establishment year, business owner name, offerings, etc. So again, this is a good sign and shows that the website is a legit website. Now guys, let's take a look at the contact us information. So in the contact us page you will find a query page, and they have provided the email address and the official address. Apart from that guys, the email which is given on this page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. And coming to the social media existence guys, the website has a strong social media presence. You'll find huge fan following on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Now coming to the returns and exchanges, so in this section you'll not find anything enough regarding the return, but when you click start a return you'll get the entire information, and you can also check the FAQ section to know more about refund and return policy guys. And guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product for other people as well. Now guys, coming to the customer reviews, according to our research we get to know that people fall in love with the shoe pair as available on the site, whether it is for men or women. However, some buyers tackle issues like shipping delays and months to get a return if not satisfied, or the pair seems tight. So you can make a wise decision. And in the final conclusion guys, it is confirmed that this store is a legit store to trust as of now. However, it would recommend Recommended to explore the products well while purchasing and see whether these fit perfectly with your needs or not. Anyway, guys, go ahead and get a pair of your choice. And if you have ever scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.